Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of coconut toffee. I am using 1.5 cup of grated coconut for this recipe. In a pan, heat half cup of water. Add 2/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it continuously on medium flame till it thickens. The sugar syrup is now boiling. Once the sugar dissolves, add 1.5 cup of grated coconut. Stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir. Add a drop of green food color. Mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of milk powder and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix. Add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Stir. Stir continuously. I cooked it for 45 minutes. Once it starts leaving the sides of the pan and color changes, it is ready. Switch off the flame as it is ready. Transfer it into a greased pan and spread it evenly. Once it is semi-set, cut into desired shapes. I am cutting it into square shapes. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.